In the past couple of years, people have spent lots of time communicating virtually, more than ever before, and it was pretty sizable before COVID too. Let's face it, virtual fatigue is real, and it made our time in front of our screens a little numbing. That's why webinars and virtual events should not look and feel like our last conference call. Half the time, there's no reason for just a talking head and a deck. The other half, there might be, but that doesn't mean you can't spice it up. To keep audiences coming for more, mix up different session styles, talks and interviews, live videos, on-demand videos, short form and long form. Please use them all. You can also mix things up with the same styles. Take fireside chats, for example. No reason not to host 2 speakers in the same chat for that interpersonal dynamic. Along with some 4 to 5 speaker panels, you'll inject your event with various types of settings that speakers and attendees will all enjoy.